Shawty got downs. Shawty got Down syndrome. Oh.
Shawty got Down syndrome.
Bruh. I got an RPG.
Let's do it. Alright, ready? Hold on.
Yeah! Yeah!
Alright. See that window on the right? Shoot right there. Oh, there's no more window on the right. There's just smoke. Get closer.
Hit it, hit it. Ooh. Jesus. Sir! Sir, be careful! Sir!
I'm trying. I'm so scared right now, man.
I know, me too. I just watched two of us die.
He's my best friend, man. I knew him for like 3 seconds.
Get out. Bruh, I swear that was a war crime. No! I blew myself out. Oh! That was just unlucky. Aww. Hell yeah. War crimes at its finest.
Enemy on C, and there's nothing I can do about it.
Here you go. Thank you. Oh.
Yeah. And I got orange juice too, because I guess smoking also like really messing with your veins.
Got that guy over there.
Fuck.
Say that.
Is there?
Yeah, he was to your right. I'm not gonna do that.
Hi, how are you?
Shawty got downs.
Shawty got Down syndrome.
Shawty got Down syndrome.